What's going on? Today I'm just going to share a quick video on how you can tell if your plants are still dormant or dead. So first I have this raspberry plant, and as you can see we do have green shoots coming out of a lot of the branches, so we know that this plant is still alive. But what if you didn't know? And what if there were no shoots? You can see that some of the buds as well are starting to swell, so that is another telltale sign. But the best way you can tell is by either flexing the stem, and if it flexes and it doesn't just snap off, it's still alive. Another way you can tell is by simply scratching the outer bark layer, like so. And if you still get green after you scratch it off, then also that is a telltale sign that your plant is still alive. And if it's easy to do so, like I have here, so you can see that branch is still alive, while this branch is no longer alive. You can see I scratched that and it's not green. So similarly, we can move off to the rose, and this I fear is probably dead, because if you do the snap test, it just snaps right off, dry as a bone. And if you do the scratch test, most of the branches, as far as I can see, do not have any green still left in them. So that's just a quick video on how you can tell if your plants are still dormant, dead, or alive. So, and if you want to see more updates on videos and plants like this, I encourage you to subscribe to see more.